Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. I'm getting very good feedback nowadays and too many people are calling me. So in this video, as you can see on the screen, I'm gonna put some question which came in the real exam and including Rotherhithe Tunnel. So please watch this video till the end if you wanna learn the topographical test. Okay, so a lot of people asking me nowadays what is topographical test. So the topographical test is slightly changing now. It's going to be the 4 route planning question is going to be like this in the exam. Then it's going to be 28 or 20, some people say 26, some people say 28 is going to be the A to Z question which is came from the book. So 28 is going to be the book question and 4 is going to be the route planning question, and exam is going to be 1.5 hours. Okay, so a lot of people other is asking me how they can watch my all videos, so I'm gonna explain you this as well. So if you go in YouTube and go in search bar, then write SA space PCO. So write SAPCO, make sure you put the space between SA and PCO, then you hit the enter or just click, and please subscribe to my channel as well, then because I put my videos more often you will get notification when I put the more videos. So you're gonna click on my picture, then you can see the playlist. So you're gonna click on playlist. First is home, then videos, then playlist. If you're gonna click on playlist, then you're gonna see different playlists. So please go to the TFL topographical test. So when you're gonna click on that, so you will be able to see my all videos. So you can see on the right hand side is all videos. So please, if you wanna find any videos, just look closely. You can see on the title. So let's say if you wanna see how to cross ferry, then you're gonna click on that. Then in this video I explain how you can cross a ferry. So yeah, so the playlist is going to be on the right hand side. You can choose any videos and watch the video on my device. Please watch these all videos, then do some training. You can save your time and money as well. If you're gonna go to someone or to me without watching these videos, you're gonna spend a lot of money and time as well. Like only Blackwall Tunnel need 10 hours to be teach. If you watch my video, I explain in Blackwall tunnels. So let's say this is a Blackwall Tunnel. If you're gonna click on that, so this is all Blackwall Tunnel exam question as well. So make sure you're watching SAPCO videos because there's a lot of other videos as well on YouTube. Okay, now let's start the exam question which include Rotherhithe Tunnel. Okay, so this is the first question. This question came many time in the exam, and this question actually came on Thursday. One of my students told me about this question. I put this video in my other channel as well. So but I'm gonna put all the question together in this video. You can then watch all together. Now our start point is green and finish on red always. Some people started from the red and finish on green, they get 0 marks. So make sure you're starting from the green and finish on red. Okay, so we're gonna cross the Rotherhithe Tunnel. If we're gonna use the Blackwall Tunnel, it's going to be the longer way. You can draw roughly as well. Let's say we're gonna use this one, and to come to the red, yeah, it's going to look like it's going to be the very long way. So we're going to use the Rotherhithe Tunnel. So make sure you're doing planning, please. So always do planning. You can save your time, and you will not be able to do the mistake as well if you do the planning. Okay, so my first planning, I need to come to the tunnel approach. Guys, a lot of people, they coming to me and they don't know how to do the how to cross the Rotherhithe Tunnel. Please remember this one. We're gonna use the tunnel approach to go into the tunnel. A lot of people, they use Limehouse link. I'm gonna just mention, they're coming from here, they go to the Rotherhithe Tunnel straight away. You cannot do like this. You can go here on the highway, but you cannot go into the tunnel because you have to use a tunnel approach to go into the tunnel. It's like a pipe. If you go in the pipe from the one side, you're gonna come outside from on the other side. You cannot come outside in the middle of the pipe. It's gonna be the example like this. I hope so you understand this one. because with my 1.5 year experience, people's coming to me, they keep doing mistake. So please watch this video, then do some training. So I'm making this video for people they take time to learn. So that's what I said, with my experience, about 90% people struggle to cross this Rotherhithe Tunnel and do these kind of questions. If you're very good, you can increase the speed of this video, then it's going to be quick. Okay, so I need to read the tunnel approach. So I have two ways. I can go this way and I can go this way as well, over here. Let's see. So you tell me guys, which one is the most direct route? The direct meaning is a straight line from point to point, from green to red. Sometimes you cannot get straight line from green to red because of this river and the tunnel, but we can get the straight line from point to point. So here, from green to the tunnel approach, I can see this is the straight line. So I'm going to use a straight, and we should always stay safe. You can see here, turning, people use the main road and turn right over here, but we cannot turn right here. If you check this in the Google map, this is no entry over here, you can't turn right. So in these kind of points on the roads, if you're not sure, so try to be safe, so try to use other way. So like in this way I'm going to use now. Yeah, I have to do a lot of explanation in this video because I want to help you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the tunnel approach. So make sure you're gonna zoom like this. Do not zoom like this because it's gonna be the one way and you will not be able to see if you're gonna zoom like this. So make sure you're gonna zoom enough. So start from the green and stay on the left hand side. Turning left over here is no problem at all, but if you want to turn right here, it's gonna be the problem because of the line. And here now we're turning right on the main road and there is no line, and it's fine, so we can turn right here. Okay, so my tunnel approach is over here, so I'm going to turn right over here. I'm going to stop here now. So I should go ahead, I should come down on these streets. So I can see I can come down in this street here. So when you in the wide street like this, make sure you zoom like this. Now, so stay on the left hand side like this. No, this is a one way, it's telling you just go straight. This white line you can see is nothing. So think this Limehouse road is a main road. So what do you mean? This is going to stop the road. It's going to be the there's no way. No, there's nothing here. There's a line, just white line. Just you can cross this one. So now we're gonna stop over here. Now we're gonna do the very important part. If you do from green to this point, maybe you are coming from the little bit longer way, maybe you might lose some marks. But if you're gonna do this mistake, means if you're not gonna use tunnel approach, then you're gonna get 0 marks. So make sure you stay on the left hand side. Look, this is tunnel approach. This is the tricky part. I explained many times in my other videos. Here you stay here, must stay here. This is the left hand side of the tunnel here. Now do not go to the highway because this is overlapping, the road is overlapping because of this map. So we are in the tunnel. This highway road is at the top of this tunnel, so don't worry about that. So always stay on the left because this is two-way tunnel. Here, and a lot of people, they do like this as well. Can you do like this? No. So we are still in the tunnel. We have to look for tunnel approach. So tunnel approach I can see is over here. So we're gonna come outside from tunnel approach. You cannot come outside from the tunnel to the road. It's gonna be the 0 marks again. So we're gonna carry on like this. So we still in the tunnel. Now after this point you can celebrate. Wow, we crossed the tunnel. Yes. Now we can go to our right point. Now we have to use the most direct route. A lot of people, I can show you now, they do like this. They go just straight and they do like this. But we can do more direct route over here. So the direct means a straight line and the shortest from point to point. So I'm going to show you now which one is the most direct route. So I'm going to leave my this line. Don't be confused. So here, so you can see if I use this street here, make sure when you do this white roads, streets, zoom enough. Now I'm gonna go straight, Canada straight, here, stay on the left hand side. Now you tell me which one is the most direct route. Look, if you're gonna use the yellow road, it's going to be the longer way and you're gonna lose marks. So I'm gonna delete this route. Yeah, so you can see this is the most direct route from green to red, and I'm gonna get full marks over here. And I can see that because a lot of my students get more than 90% marks. So yeah, that's it. So I spent about 10 minutes to do this question, but I was explaining as well. So you should not spend more than 10 minutes. It depends on the question as well. On this kind of question, you should be able to finish in 5 to 6 minutes, but you can finish in 5 minutes when you're gonna do this practice. Get this map which we have, or you can go to the other center, then do this training. Then when you go to the exam, you're gonna feel comfortable, guys. I can tell you that because I did the exam as well. So if you're gonna come to us, we have these roads. You can see these folders, means I gather from my students about 300 questions. You can come to this laptop. You need laptop and mouse, then you'll be able to do these questions on your computer as well. You can come to us as well, because a lot of people, they're asking how much I charge. So please go to my channel and find my packages video. So means if you go to the YouTube and write packages, SAPCO, and yeah, you can write packages TFL and click enter. So you can see the first video is my video. In this video I explain where I base and how much I charge. So please watch this video very carefully. Yeah, so if you click on this video, so then after watching this ad, so you will be able to see my packages list, which is over here. Yes, so okay guys, so this is the second exam question. This came many times as well. So in this question is a river, so we're gonna use the Rotherhithe Tunnel. I really surprised some of students came to me and they used Tower Bridge to solve this question, and you can see that it's going to be 0 marks. It's very long. You can't use Tower Bridge. We have to use the Rotherhithe Tunnel. Yeah, if we say the Rotherhithe Tunnel is closed, then we're going to use the Tower Bridge. Okay, I'm going to draw first. Now we're going to use tunnel approach now. So we have to reach the tunnel approach, which is over here. So we're going to reach over here. So it's going to be the many ways to go to the tunnel approach. I'm gonna draw first. The people do mistake. They just come like this and they go into the tunnel like this. Some people, they just go, they do like this, they come here, then they go into the tunnel. And some people, they do like this and they don't see there's a one way as well. They just go like this. And some people think, oh, this is a one way. They just do like this then. Okay, now what do you think, guys? Which one is the most direct route? So a lot of people fail because of they don't follow the most direct route. So I'm gonna draw with red. If you look, use this road. What do you think, guys? This is the most shortest route and the most direct route as well. So please do planning always, point to point. So from green to the tunnel approach, my red line is going to be the most direct route. Now let's start the question again. So I'm going to start. This point is on right hand side. First we need to come on the left hand side like this here. So because I already did planning, so I'm going to go here, stay on the left hand side. Make sure when you're on the yellow streets, lines, yellow roads, make sure you have a zoom in enough, then you can see the roads are one way here and here, and there's no line in the middle of the road, so we can turn right. Is no problem at all here. So some people just they turn into the tunnel approach. You can't. Please, this you stay on the left hand side and do smooth round and curve like this, because this is mentioned on the TFL website. Around the roundabout, do not cut the black lines, do not hit the black lines, and go round as well. So if you're not going to do round and do the straight line in the roundabout, you can lose marks as well. So now after this tunnel approach, I am inside the tunnel. Now I cannot go anywhere, so stay inside the tunnel. This road is over at the top of this tunnel, so don't worry about that, just keep going straight. Here, 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 this. Now a lot of people, they do like this. So I'm gonna mention again, we have to use the tunnel approach to come outside, guys. So the tunnel approach is over here, so we have to hit this part to come outside from the tunnel. We cannot come outside from any way. So travel towards tunnel approach. Now this part is very, very important, so please watch this again and again before come to me or go to the end of the training center. So here, this line on the left hand side is a line of the tunnel. This dot you can see underneath the R, this is the left hand side of the tunnel. This black dot underneath T is the left hand side of the tunnel. This is the butcher row. This is the line of the butcher row. Butcher row is at the top of the tunnel. So don't worry about that. Just keep going on the left hand side. Now after this tunnel approach, we are outside from the tunnel. We can celebrate now. We can go anywhere now, but we have to travel towards our red point. And again, the most direct route. Some people, I'm gonna do mention that what they do like this. They come like this. This is going to be the longer way. So we have to find the most direct route and the shortest way. Yeah, after this point we're outside, so we can turn left over here. Now we're on the butcher row, because our red is over there. I'm gonna come to the butcher row. Now this line is overlapping, because this is the under. That line is under the tunnel, so means we were in the tunnel. So we are on a butcher row, so we can overlap this line. It doesn't matter. Here, here. Now we're on the highway road. Some people just still go into the tunnel. You cannot do like this, please. Stay on this black dot. We can hit it because this is a black dot of the tunnel. Here, just focus on this black line, this which is a highway road. Here. Now stop here. Now check your red. My red is over here, so I'm gonna come down over here. Here, here. Just make sure when you're doing this small street, zoom enough, then you're not traveling in the middle of the road, staying always on the left hand side. Here, so this is on the right hand side. I'm gonna go like this, finish. Now this is the most direct route from green to red. There's no other way to go from green to red, and this question came many times in the exam as well. If this come in the exam, please do like this. Thank you so much, guys. Now we move to the next question. Okay, so this is the third question, and this question came many, maybe I say more than 5,000 times, because I'm just asking from student, and they're telling me this question came many times in the exam. So this question is very important. So there's many ways to do this question, but I'm gonna do this question. One of my student, he got this question, and she told me that she did that way and she got 93% marks. So I'm gonna do her way, and then but there's other way as well. I'm gonna show both ways, but I'm gonna do first her way, how she did it. She told me. So our green is over here, red is here. A lot of people they do mistake here. They use Blackwall Tunnel, but this question is Rotherhithe Tunnel. If you're gonna use the Blackwall Tunnel, this is going to be the longer way, and you're going to lose too many marks over here, maybe 0 marks. So first planning, we're going to use Rotherhithe Tunnel. So we're going to get to the tunnel approach. So I'm going to start from here. This is one way, so make sure you follow the one way over here. So come down from here like this. This DLR is nothing. Have you ever seen any line or railway track is closing the road? No, it's going to be the traffic signal. It's going to be the overcrossing, underpass. Yeah, just carry on. So from here, a lot of people think, oh, can we turn over here? Yes, if this one way is telling you go that way, but you can go this way as well. It's no problem at all. Okay, from here now, I'm gonna go this roundabout. So I remember I've explained my first videos. So you're gonna go around the roundabout. So this is nothing. This is just sign of the roundabout there, because this is a 2-on-2 roundabout. One road is underneath, one is at the top. So we can cross this, we can touch this line as well. So okay, so I'm gonna copy my student who got 93%. You can use the Limehouse link to go to the tunnel, but a lot of people they do mistake here. I'm gonna mention after this question. So I'm gonna go up from here, so I can turn left here. So make sure you're gonna zoom enough, and you can turn left over here. So because I'm gonna go to the tunnel approach, so just keep doing it. This one way is nothing. A lot of people they just go like this as well. So you cannot do like this, you can go straight, guys. So yeah, this one way is on in the streets, so don't worry about this one. Let's go straight like this. Tunnel approach is coming. So yes, so our tunnel approach is there. After that we are inside the tunnel, you cannot go anywhere now. So make sure you stay on the left hand side. This dot, black dot between Y and B is the left hand side of the tunnel. Stay here. So don't go to the highway road. You can cross this line because this is a road, but we are under the tunnel. Stay on the left hand side, keep going. So we're gonna do the planning after we reach the tunnel approach. So again, you cannot come outside, just stay in the tunnel please. After tunnel approach you outside. Here, this after this point we are outside now. Now we're gonna check our red point. Our red point is there, so is no problem. I'm gonna use my yellow road because this is going to be the most direct route. You know, no point using now white road streets. This one way is telling you you can go straight, you can turn left over here as well. So again, around the roundabout, go round like this, nice and smooth. So you can come, you can turn over here as well. Yeah, so yes, that's it. So this is the most direct route. I'm gonna show you now. Other people, you can do this way as well, but a lot of people they do mistake over here. Look, I'm gonna draw with red here. So you can join this tunnel now. When the people coming from here, they just go into the tunnel and they get 0 marks. How you can do that? You cannot do like this because you are going into the end of the tunnel, which is Rotherhithe Tunnel. You are in the Limehouse link. This is different tunnel. You cannot go here. If you want to use this road, you can use this road as well. So you have to use the tunnel approach. To use this butcher row, then we're gonna come to the tunnel approach. Then we're gonna follow our blue line. So make sure when you're gonna use a Limehouse link, use butcher row and use tunnel approach to come inside the tunnel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please, when you're gonna come for training to me, please watch these videos again and again, then come to me. Then you can save your time and money as well. So I'm gonna say repeat again, please watch this video. And if you want to watch my other videos, just type SAPCO in YouTube. You're gonna get my all videos. So make sure when you're gonna come to any center, just make sure you know the tunnels, city roads. Means you watch the video, then do some training with your hand, draw the routes. Then it's going to be very handy when you're gonna go to the exam. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I put videos more often. So now this Christmas time is coming, so I'm gonna put one offer as well. I'm gonna give 50% on my route planning questions. This is going to be announced soon. Thank you so much.